Most men never meet porn addiction. It's not because they're weak. It's not because they lack discipline. And it's not because they don't want freedom badly enough. Most men stay stuck because they're fighting the wrong battle. And if you've been struggling for years, if you've tried willpower, if you tried accountability, if you tried using blocking apps and softwares, if you leaned into prayer and read the scriptures, if you've tried counting days and building streaks, but yet you're still relapsing, then this episode may be the most important thing and the most important episode you've ever listened to. Because today I'm going to walk you through the exact framework that's helped over 1,800 other men break free from porn addiction and rebuild their lives. No, we're not talking about just quitting porn. We're talking about men that really rebuilt their lives and step into freedom. We're going to expose to you why most recovery programming and advice fails and the real reason why men stay stuck. And I'm going to point out the 10 biggest pain points that every addicted man experiences. And most importantly, if you stick around all the way till the end, we're going to lay out the complete roadmap that we use inside the Reboot Your Life program and give you an invitation to get this program and start taking action today. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, host and founder here, and it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help those men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, reclaim freedom in their lives. And we do that every single week here on the podcast. So if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, turn those post notifications on. But the first thing I need you to understand today is this. Porn is rarely the real problem. Porn is always the symptom. And that's why so many men stay trapped, because they spend years trying to remove the symptoms without addressing the disease that sits underneath it. Now, before I explain the framework today, I want to talk about the pain. Because if you're listening to this right now, I already know what you're carrying. I've spoken with thousands of men. I walked this journey 7 years ago after a 20-year porn addiction, and I've coached over 1,800 other men to complete and successful transformations. The stories are always different, but the pain is almost always the same. So here are the 10 pain points that I know each and every single one of you is experiencing right now. Pain point number 1 is you keep breaking your word. You constantly tell yourself this is the last time. Then 3 days later, maybe 3 hours later, you're back. And every relapse costs you something. It's not just your time. It's not just your energy, but it's costing you your trust. You stop trusting yourself. And once a man loses trust in himself, everything he tries to do becomes harder. Now, the second pain point is you feel like you're living a double life. One version of you exists in public, the successful version, the disciplined version, the husband, the father, the entrepreneur, the leader, the business owner. But then there's that version of you that nobody sees, that version that's hiding behind closed doors and behind screens, the version that's carrying the shame, the version that's constantly trying to outrun himself. And that gap between those two men gets wider every single day. Now, pain point number 3 is you secretly don't like who you've become. Most men won't say this one out loud, but it's true. You know you're capable of more. You know you're meant for more. Yet every relapse is evidence that you're not the man that you want to be. And over time, this eats away at you. Pain point number 4 is the losing of your self-confidence. And it's not because of porn. It's because confidence comes from keeping promises. Confidence comes from our integrity. It comes from our trust. And every time you break your word, you weaken that foundation. Now, the 5th point pain here is your relationships are suffering. Maybe your wife knows, maybe she doesn't, but regardless, you feel that distance, that disconnection, that lack of intimacy, the guilt, the secrets. Porn never stays isolated. It spills into every area of a man's life. Pain point number 6 here is your relationship with God. Your faith is suffering. You love him. You believe in him, but you feel disconnected. You pray, but then you repent, you promise, and then you relapse. And eventually every man begins questioning themselves. They question their faith, their worth, but more importantly, their relationship with God. Pain point number 7 here is your energy is drained. It's gone. Your drive is missing. Your focus is absent. You feel foggy all the time, distracted, unmotivated, like you're constantly operating at 50% of your potential. Pain point number 8 here is you feel completely isolated and alone, like nobody would understand, like nobody knows. And even when you have people around you, you feel isolated. because you're carrying a secret, and that secret creates separation. Pain point number 9 here is you start asking yourself, what if I never beat this? What if this is just who I am? What if I'll always struggle? And that question creates a source of hopelessness. And pain point number 10 here is you know that you're capable of more. That's the real painful part, is you know you're not living at your full potential. You know there's a better version of you, a higher version of you that's available, a stronger version, a freer version, a more disciplined version, but you cannot seem to get there. Now, here's where most men make mistakes. They believe the solution is simply trying harder. All I need is more discipline, more motivation, more effort. But let's be honest, you've already tried that. You've tried all the willpower in the world. You've tried all the white knuckling. You've tried promising yourself you'll never do it again. But let me ask you, how did that work out? This is where everything has to change, because porn isn't a disease. Porn is the coping mechanism. I want you to hear me again. Porn is not your problem. It's not a disease. It is the symptom. It's the escape, the medication. It is the relief valve that we use. It's what men use to deal with stress, with pressure, with loneliness, with fear, with shame, with disconnection, with boredom. So if all you did was remove the coping mechanism without healing or rebuilding the man underneath it, you'll always find another escape. And eventually, because you know this, eventually you'll return back to the same one. This is why traditional recovery often fails, because most recovery ask, how do we stop porn? Here inside the Rebuilt Man, we ask, how do we rebuild the man? It's a completely different question. And that question has led me to create what's eventually became the Reboot Your Life system. Because after years of coaching men, I realized something. Freedom requires a complete rebuild, not behavior management, but true transformation. So let me walk you through that framework here today. And the part is it's built on 5 pillars, 5 areas of every man that we must rebuild, because freedom isn't one-dimensional. Real freedom, real transformation is holistic. The first pillar we have to rebuild is a man's identity. Everything starts here, because every action flows from our identity. Most addicted men see themselves as broken, weak, addicts, failures. That's the problem, because you'll never perform the way that you see yourself. The first step in this process is to become a man worth following, a man who keeps his word, a man who has standards and lives by them, a man that honors his value, a man that has a mission. Your identity is the foundation of your transformation. The second pillar we need to focus on here is discipline. Yes, discipline. Freedom requires structure, not motivation, but structure, systems, habits, routines, boundaries, daily actions repeated consistently over time. This is where men learn to lead themselves. Because if you cannot lead yourself, you'll never be able to lead anyone else. The third pillar that we must rebuild is connection. The opposite of addiction is not sobriety, but it is the community and connection that you build in your pathway to freedom. Connection with real men, brotherhood with real men that have standards, community of real men that will hold you accountable, relationships, support, a place that you can be open and vulnerable. Here's a part that nobody talks about is men don't heal alone, they heal together. This is one of the biggest lessons that I've learned over the years, is that isolation is what's fueling the addiction. Connection is the gasoline that will destroy it. The fourth pillar here is your faith. Every recovery from addiction requires a spiritual transformation. We must understand that we are at a spiritual war. Men need purpose. They need truth. Men need God. And when a man reconnects with his faith, everything will change, because now he has something bigger than himself to live for. The fifth pillar that we help men rebuild is their mission. This one is huge, because most men addicted are drifting, lacking vision, lacking mission, lacking purpose, no idea or clear vision of a compelling future. And when a man lacks purpose, he seeks pleasure. When a man finds purpose, he stops needing escape, because mission changes everything. Now, here's how we actually use this framework to transform a man's life, because it addresses the entire man. It's not just porn. But we rebuild his identity, his connection, his discipline, his faith, his mission, his mind, his body, his relationships, his purpose, his environment, his leadership. We focus on rebuilding everything, and that's why we've seen over 1,800 other men transform. It's not because they downloaded a better blocker. It's not because we helped them become superhuman. It's because we helped them rebuild themselves. Now, I can think about a lot of stories and clients over the years. One in particular was on the verge of losing his marriage. Years of broken trust and secrecy. Years of breaking promises. But when he came in, he didn't just quit porn, he rebuilt his life. Today, we know this man's marriage is thriving. His wife trusts him again. His parents, his children have a present father. That is the transformation that we talk about. Another one that comes to mind here is a successful entrepreneur, producing millions in revenue, but completely miserable, living a double life behind closed doors. After rebuilding himself, his confidence returned, his leadership improved, his business grew even bigger. And it's not because porn was magically removed, it's because the man was changed. I think about all the fathers that we worked with, the pastors, the ministry leaders, the business owners. I think of the pro athletes who have turned their careers around. Men who spent years believing that they were broken only to discover that they weren't, but they simply needed a framework. And that's exactly why we decided to put this framework inside a book called The Porn Free Man. Because for years, men kept asking me, Frank, where can I get this system? How do I learn this framework without hiring you to coach me? Can I have a roadmap? So I took their questions and I acted on it. I put everything that we've done in the last 6 years into one place. Our philosophy, our framework, our systems, our exercises, our implementation, the exact roadmap that's helped over 1,800 other men. It's available in a book. And when you get the book, you also get access to our 7-day porn reset. You get access to our 12-week Bible study, Rebuilt by the Word. You get access to 12 weeks of daily mindfulness and meditation practices. You get access to the Reboot Your Life After Action framework. And you get an entire year of fitness training and exercise plans. Because once again, freedom isn't about quitting porn. It's about rebuilding your entire life. Now, brother, let me remind you, the goal here has never been to quit porn. The goal will always be to become the man that porn can no longer control. And that's what the Reboot Your Life system is about. That's what becoming a rebuilt man is about. And that's exactly why I wrote the book, Porn Free Man, to give you the system and the framework. So if you're tired of relapsing, tired of hiding, tired of feeling stuck, and ready to go rebuild your life from the ground up, visit therebuiltman.com/porn-free or click the link down in the show notes below to get access to your book, unlock the bonuses, and get the roadmap today. And most importantly, start becoming the man that you know you were born to be. Visit therebuiltman.com/porn-free or click the link down there in the show notes below to get access. And brother, we'll see you on the inside.